Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, today we will learn how to share internet connection from one laptop to multiple desktop or laptop or server. Okay, so I will show you step by step. But before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Let's start now. So let's see. In my case, this this laptop is connected to this network. Okay, this Wi-Fi. Okay, in same way, suppose if your laptop is connected to Wi-Fi or with your mobile hotspot, you can share this connection with other your PCs, desktop or laptop. Okay, so the conclusion is using one PC connection, okay, you can share the internet for other computers, okay, and you can use internet on other PCs. Okay, so let me brief you something here. Okay, suppose you have a laptop, okay, that is connected to Wi-Fi, okay, that is connected to Wi-Fi or with mobile hotspot. Okay, mobile hotspot. Okay, and if you have few more computers and you want to use the internet on your desktop, right, you can use internet on those desktop PC by following these steps. Okay, so what you need to do, your laptop is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot, you have to connect this. There will be a network port on your laptop, okay, and in your desktop also, right? So you have to use LAN cable, network cable, okay, connect this port to the desktop network port. Okay, so once you will connect, what you need to do, I will show here. Okay, so suppose you connected your laptop to the desktop using LAN cable. Okay, in same way, I have connected this laptop with my one PC, one server, okay, which is this. Okay, I have accessed remotely this computer. Okay, just to show you. So this computer name is, you can see here, this is server. Okay, this is server version. So it doesn't matter if you are using server or client operating system like Windows 8, 10 or any other version, but the process will be same. So the computer name is DC on of this, okay, of this computer. Let me minimize this, and in same way I have connected this. Suppose this is my laptop, and using the network cable I have connected this laptop to this server, okay, using the internet cable. In same way, you have to connect your laptop to the desktop network port. Okay, if once it will be done, you have to go to the your laptop's network setting. Just type here, go to run, type here ncpa.cpl, press OK. Then you will be able to see here two network, right? This network is your this port network, okay, and this is Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so in same way you will be able to see two network connections. One will be your Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. The second one will be the one which you connected with your desktop. Okay, so that will be here. Okay, now let's do one thing. You can just right click here on your Wi-Fi network connection or mobile hotspot connection, go to properties, Once you will go to the properties, you will see here sharing option. Okay, once you'll click to sharing, you will see here internet connection sharing. You need to click this allow other networks users to connect through this computer internet connection. There is one more option, allow other network users to control or disable the shared internet connection. So if you want to allow this, like other network users can control this internet connection, they can disable or enable. If you want to provide the access, you can enable this also, otherwise you can leave it as it is. Okay, no need to check it, just say okay. Once you will click to OK, you can see here when internet connection sharing is enabled, your LAN adapter will be set to use IP address this 192.168.137.1. Your computer may lose connectivity with other computers on your network, right? So see, as here in this scenario, you can see I have connected my laptop with the desktop. Okay, that is this desktop. Okay, this desktop or server. Okay, so here it is saying like once we'll click to yes, this desktop connection will be lost. Okay, and make sure you remember the host name of this. Okay, DC. In my case, this computer name is DC. Okay, so in same way, if you have a, let me show you one more process. If you have a desktop, right, you need to go to the this PC properties, and then you will be able to see here computer name DC. Okay, so in same way, in this way you can check your computer name. Okay, why I am saying you to check this first, I will show you later on. Okay, let me close this, so here it is saying like connection will be lost. Let me click to yes, but before clicking to yes, it is also saying like if these other computers have static IP addresses, you should set them to obtain their IP addresses automatically. Are you sure want to enable the internet connection sharing? Yes, but before clicking to yes, make sure whatever PC or desktop you connected with your laptop using LAN cable. Okay, using LAN cable will be like this. Let me show you. Second, it is opening. So it's little bit slow. Yes, so see, LAN cable will be like this. This is the LAN cable. Okay, and you need to connect this using this LAN cable. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so now here it is saying make sure you should set them to obtain their IP addresses automatically, right? So what we'll do here first, before clicking to yes, you have to go to your PC which is connected to your laptop. Go to same ncpa.cpl network connection properties. Okay, double click on this or right click, go to properties, and then select TCP/IP version 4. Go to properties, and here you can see use the following IP address. For now the IP address is this. Okay, you have to set it obtain IP address automatically. Once you will click, definitely the connection will be lost. Okay, so let's see, close. Now connection has been lost. Okay, but let's minimize this just. Okay, let's minimize this and click to yes here. Okay, once you will click to yes, you will be able to see here shared. Okay, the Wi-Fi connection name will be showing as shared. Okay, and once we'll go to here to this network. Okay, and if you'll go to the details, you will be able to see the IP address of a range of 192.168.137.1. okay, that is global IP. Okay, public IP. Let's see now. Let's, as we see, the connection has been lost. Okay, of this. So as I told you, you have to if you are managing remotely, if you have to make sure you have to remember the PC name. So let me, because we are not sure after clicking to obtain IP address which IP address this PC will take. Okay, which IP this PC will obtain. So let's again try to access this MSTSC. I am going to use here DC, that computer name. Okay, click to yes, connect. It is taking some time. Okay, or you can do one thing, you can just go to your desktop, go to this PC directly, physically you can log in and check if internet is enabled, internet is working or not, right? So I am going to do here same thing. Okay, you can check it physically, but I am going to show you here just by taking a remote of this PC. Okay, so that is why I ask you to remember the PC name. Okay, if you want to manage remotely. So see the DC computer we are going to connect. Yes, now you can see here it is showing internet, IP4 connectivity internet. If you'll go to details, you can see the same range of IP address it's obtained. Okay, let's close this and let's see if internet is working on this computer or not, right? Okay, ask me later and then go to Google. Click to OK. Close. See, internet is working on this PC now. Okay, so in this way, if you have desktop, and if you want to use internet on the desktop also, you can use just by sharing the internet connection, following this process, following these steps. Okay, you can share the connection to the multiple computers. Okay, what you need to do for that, you need to just use here one switch. Okay, here you need to just one place switch. Let me show you. In between here you need to place a switch where there will be a multiple ports. There will be multiple ports. Okay, like this. Okay, and what you need to do, if you want to share the internet connection for multiple desktop, you have to just connect your laptop to, sorry, let me take this. You have to connect your this laptop port to the one switch port, and then the desktop should be connected with the, let me leave it here, and the other computers should be connected with the switch other ports, like this, from here. Okay, like this. Okay, so in this way, if you want to share one internet connection, I mean from one laptop to multiple computers, you can use one switch. You can connect your laptop to that switch, and the other computer's desktop should be connected to the other ports of the switch. They will get IP from the laptop, from your laptop, after saying the internet connection, and you will be able to use internet connection on all your PCs like this. Okay, so guys, I know this video will be long for you, but yes, I hope I tried to explain each and everything for the internet connection sharing. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I'll request you to please, just to support me, just to motivate me, please subscribe my channel IT Parivar, and if you have any query or concerns or need any assistance, okay, just feel free to leave your comment. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.